Assalamualaikum. Today we shall discuss about the physical chemistry of FYBSc CH101. Welcome all of you. Ionic Equilibria. In previous chapter we have studied chemical equilibria involving the dissociation of chemical compound in solid, liquid and gaseous. In this chapter we shall study the concept of ionic equilibria involving the ionization or dissociation of weak electrolytes such as weak acid and weak bases, particularly in aqueous solution. pH scale, common ion effect, hydrolytic ionization of the salt, ionization of sparingly soluble salt in aqueous in some detail. Strong and moderate and weak electrolyte. On the basis of ability of the substance to conduct the electricity in aqueous solution, the substances are classified as electrolyte and non-electrolyte. Those substances which conduct the electricity in an aqueous solution due to the presence of ion are called as electrolyte. For example, acid, base and salt. And those substances which do not conduct the electricity in aqueous solution due to the absence of ion are called as non-electrolyte. For example, glucose, sucrose, glycerol, urea, hydrocarbon, etc. Electrolyte are further classified into strong electrolyte, moderate electrolyte and weak electrolyte. Strong electrolyte are the electrolyte when dissolved in water ionizes or dissociated almost completely are called the strong electrolyte. For example, most soluble salt, strong acid, strong bases, H2SO4, HNO3, HCl, HBr, NaOH, KOH, etc. Weak electrolyte, the electrolyte when dissolved in water ionizes or dissociated only partially to the extent of 5% are called weak electrolyte. For example, weak acid, weak bases, for example, acetic acid, H2CO3, NH3, NH4OH, etc. Moderate electrolyte. The electrolyte, when dissolved in water, ionizes or dissociates to about 50% may called as moderate electrolyte. For example, optimize the condition of concentration and temperature. Strong electrolyte may behave like moderate electrolyte. Degree of ionization. According to the Arrhenius theory of ionization, the molecule of electrolyte when dissolved in aqueous solution is split up into positively and negatively charged particle called cation and anion. Positively charged ion is called as cation and negatively charged ion is called as negatively charged ion is called as the anion. This splitting phenomena of electrolyte in aqueous solution is called as ionization or dissociation. Consider the ionization of following electrolyte in water. For example, NaCl plus H2O. When NaCl is dissolved into the water, it is split into Na plus and Cl minus. Similarly, MgCl2, magnesium chloride, when dissolved in water, it is split into Mg plus 2 charge plus 2Cl minus. Similarly, acetic acid, CH3COH, when dissolved in water, it is split into cation and anion as CH3CO minus plus H plus ion. The ion produced by ionization of electrolyte combine back to give undissociates there exists equilibrium between ion produced and undissociated mode called as ionic equilibria. The fraction of total number of molecule of the electrolyte that is split or ionizes in the cation and anion is called as degree of ionization, or degree of ionization is also called as degree of dissociation. The degree of ionization or dissociation is designated or is denoted by the Greek letter alpha. Alpha, it is denoted with the help of, designated with the help of alpha, degree of dissociation. Mathematically, you can write as alpha is equal to, or degree of ionization is equal to, number of molecule ionized or dissociated divided by total number of molecule. The degree of ionization usually increases with dilution and its value becomes maximum at infinite dilution. Thank you for watching me.